Assalamualaikum class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your homes. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall the previous one. So what is our previous topic? Bilal, you tell me what is your previous topic? Good. We had learned that what is rule number 4. In our previous lesson, we have learned that what is rule number 4. Previous lesson, what is rule number 4? Sabah, you tell me what is rule number 4? The rule number 4 is when we multiply a number with tens, number itself shifts one column to the left side. The number itself shifts one column to the left side. Rule number 4 is rule number 4. When we multiply a number with tens, जब भी हम किसी नंबर को टेंस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, a number itself shifts one column to the left side. क्या होता है, हमारा जो नंबर होता है वो itself क्या चला जाता है, yes, itself shift हो जाता है one column to the left side of number. For example, rule number 4 is when we multiply a number with tens, number itself shift one column. When we multiply a number with tens, number itself shift one column to the left side. To the left side. Simple is we had learned two methods. First is method number 1. And method number 2. Method number 1 is multiply 17 with 0. And method number 2 is same as multiply 17 with 0. So method number 1. So what is method number 1? Umar 5, you tell me what is method number 1? Write the place value of each digit. Write the place value of each digit in method number 1 and in method number 2. So what is the place value of 0? Farhan, you tell me bache, what is the place value of 0? Unit or ones. What is the place value of 1, Abdul Hadi? Good. The place value of 1 is tens. Now write the place value of 7. What is the place value of 7? Fazan, you tell me. Good. The place value of 7 is unit or ones. What is the place value of 1? Zishan, you tell me. What is the place value of 1? The place value of 1 is tens. Same as it is, write the place value of numbers in method 2. In method 1, just draw the abacus according to the place values. Then multiply abacus values with tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 beads on unit and ones place value, and only 1 beads on tens place value. Oh, rule number 4 is when we multiply a number with tens, number itself shift one column to the left side. कि जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 10 टेंस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो नंबर itself one column shift हो जाता है to the left side of numbers. It means now the number becomes 1, 2 and 3. Unit and ones, tens and hundreds. Now the 7 shift into the tens place value. 1 shift into the 100 place value, and 0 means nothing. Now the number is 1, 7 and 0. 170. Now method number 2 is change the horizontal form into vertical form. First write the place value of numbers T, 1, 7, 1 and 0. Now start multiplying the numbers from 0. When we now remember rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Arush, you tell me. Rule number 2 क्या था हमारे पास? Good. When we multiply a number with 0, our answer is 0. कि जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमारा आंसर क्या होता है? 0. 0 7 जा 0, 0 1 जा 0. Now अब हमारे पास now we have no more numbers for multiplication. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हमने 0 means unit and 1 place values को multiply किया with 0. Now we are going to multiply with second digit place value number, and the number is 1. When we multiply the tens place value number, first add the sign of multiplication in unit and ones place value number. क्या करना है? जब भी हम सेकेंड टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू करते हैं तो फर्स्ट राइट हैंड साइड से सबसे पहले क्या ऐड साइन करना है? द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. क्या ऐड करेंगे? द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. देन मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर विद 1 and 7. 7 1 जा good. 7 1 जा 7 and 1 1 जा 1. Now add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 1 means 1. So the answer is 1770. How simple is it? Just remember the rule number 4, which is when we multiply a number with tens, number itself shift one column to the left side. ये हमारे पास है रूल नंबर 4 कि जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमारा नंबर इटसेल्फ शिफ्ट हो जाता है 1 कॉलम टू द लेफ्ट साइड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न रूल नंबर 5. जैसा हमने रूल नंबर 4 पढ़ा है उसी तरह ही है रूल नंबर 5 कि व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर विद हंड्रेड्स, नंबर इटसेल्फ शिफ्ट. When we multiply a number with hundreds, number itself shift 2 columns. Now first we have 1 0, then we shift 1 column. Now we have 2 zeros in number, that's why we will shift 2 columns to the left side. Now the rule number 5 is rule number 5. When we multiply a number with 100, number itself shift 2 columns to the left side. Now we when we multiply a number with 100, now we have 2 zeros in 100. 100 में हमारे पास कितने हैं? 2 zeros. Then number itself shift 2 columns to the left side. इसमें क्या होगा, हमारे जो numbers हैं 2 columns shift हो जाएंगे, means 2 place values move out हो जाएंगे. इसमें हम we can use 3 methods like method number 1, method number 2 and method number 3. Now we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise 2b. Question number 8. Exercise 2b, 2c. Question part A is 6 multiply by 100. Method 1. Method number 1. You can solve the questions by using any of the method from among the 3 methods. Method number 2 and method number 3. Method number 1 is simple multiply 6, start from the unit place values, unit, ones, 10 and 100. Start multiplying the number from unit with units. 6 multiplied by 0. Now remember rule number 2, which is, yes, when we multiply a number with 0, our answer is always 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now multiply by 6 with 10's place value number. 6 zeros are, Burhan, you tell me 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are, now we have a number, first is 6 and second is 1. Multiply 6 with 3-digit number. First is 0, second is 0 and third is 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Now method number 1 is so simple. Just multiply the 6 with first 0, second 0 and third is 1. Method number 2. Draw the abacus of the number which has the place value of unit and ones, and the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now multiply the 6 with 100. Simple unit, ones, unit or ones, 10 and 100. Now shift the 6 into the 100 place value and make tens as 0. Make ones unit place value number as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100 tens, unit or ones. So the number is 6, 0 and 0. Write 6 and add 1 and 2 zeros. Method number 3 is 6 multiplied by 100. Now we are going to multiply 6 with 100. Write the place values, unit, ones, 10 and 100. Write the numbers according to the place value, 1, 0, 0 and 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. The answer are same by using method number 1, by using method number 2 and by using method number 3. The answer are same. You can use any of the method into your questions. Now question number B is 100 multiplied by 76. 100 multiplied by 76. Now the number is 76. First multiply, आप 76 को भी 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, आप 100 को भी 76 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Like 0 76 are good. 0 0 76 are unit ones. Unit ones. Now we are going to multiply the tens place value with number. 0 multiplied by 76 is equal to 0. Good. 1 multiplied by 76 is equal to, Amna, you tell me what is the result of 1 multiplied by 76? 76. How simple is it? Just multiply the numbers according to the place values. Unit and ones multiplied by 76 is equal to 0. Tens multiplied by number which is 0. 0 multiplied by 76 is equal to 76. 1 multiplied by 76 is equal to 76. Method number 2 is 100 multiplied by 76. Now the number is 76. Second number is 100. Write the number according to the place value. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply with 100. Shift the 6 to the place value of 100 and shift the tens place value number into the place value of 1000. Simple is unit or ones 10, 100 and 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is 7600. Now method number 3 is change the number into the vertical form. 100 multiplied by 76. Unit or ones 10. Unit, tens and 100. 1, 0, 0. 76. 6 zeros are? Arshaman, you tell me 6 zeros are? 0. Good. Abdul Basit, you tell me when we multiply a number with 0, our answer is always 0. Good. Arsalan, you tell me 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to? 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. When we are going to multiply with tens place value number, add the sign of multiplication into the right hand side number. क्या है हमारे पास रूल कि जब भी हम टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमें यूनिट और वंस प्लेस वैल्यू के नंबर में साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऐड करना है. नाउ 7 zeros are? Abdul Wahab, you tell me. 7 zeros are? 0. Again 7 zeros are? 0. 7 ones are? 7. Now we are going to add the numbers. First is 0 plus x. 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. So the answer of method 1, 2 and same. You can use any of the method number 1, 2 and 3 into your question number 8 of exercise 2C. If you find any difficulty, you can text me on Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Allah